Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to pick this. I've just literally picked a 2 litre? That's what I've drunk. A 2-lever belfry padlock. This is actually a Squire 550, and I'll do the same comparison as the Squire 220. So it's a diddy little thing. This one's got 4 levers. No key again for this one either. Locked up. To tension it, I'm going to use this little device, which was kindly made for me by a fellow lock sporter, and I'm going to use the same pick wire I used on the belfry, which is a Mad Bob's. So let's see what we can do with this. Let's turn it so we can see what we're doing again, and let's go for it. Tension on. Just feeling through, trying to find some levers that want to play nicely. This is my second attempt at this. I'll show you why in a little bit, depending on how long this takes. Again, just playing around the side of the camera. Try not to block your view. I know some of you like to see what's going on. Not a lot at the moment, he says. Just probing away, trying to find some levers that will move. This can be a bit of a stubborn one, this one. Let's drop them off again, try again. Not working too well, this one. Put up a fight. So I can see what I'm doing. I'm watching myself through the camera. Drop sleeve there. There we go. Opened. Took a little bit longer, but I got it open. So there's that out. Let's get the tool out. Yes. So sorry for that bit of a long-winded one. As you can, some eagle-eyed people can see, I've taped up this little bit for the shutter here, because when I was trying to pick it earlier, I was getting nowhere slowly. And I'll show you why if I can get this damn bit of sellotape off. Some people use elastic bands. I don't have one free, so here we go. So yeah, this bit can, if it's a bit loose, can kick over and impede the wire. So that's why I taped it up, just to get it out of the way. Some people use blue tack, some people use elastic band and then wrap it around the outside edge just to hold it up. That's what I used on this occasion. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good extra lie-in if you're in the UK when the clocks go back. Pickbeard out.